So Warsaw site is basically one of the biggest biotech facilities of its kind in Poland and in Central Europe. It's a fully integrated site with R&D, MS&T and manufacturing at the same location. We can support very early stage products, can go very quickly developing a process, a cell bank, producing preclinical and early clinical material, but we can also support later phase for phase 3, process qualification and of course commercial. The modular design is a concept that is built into our facility since the beginning of the project. It's very important because we want to be able to develop and follow our clients depending on the needs. We are committed to positive outcomes and delivering projects on time to specification.